Accurate core-to-core alignment and the average splicing loss of less than 0.02 dB for SM and 0.01 dB for mm. The return loss more than 60 dB for them, and SIXS splicing and 13s heating, the default is 30s, which can be set to 13s. Automatic focus, automatic dust removal, automatic fiber splicing, automatic sleeve heating, real-time heating, temperature monitoring, automatic temperature compensation, automatic and real-time arc calibration, automatic motor calibration, easy to operation. Equipped with 5 TFT color HD touchscreen, lithium battery, 11.1 V 4000 mAh, fiber cleaver, 16-sided blade and 48,000 cleaving, fiber stripper, spare electrode, 8,000 times splicing/pair, 5-in-1 fiber bracket and more, all enclosed in a quality ABS box. High resolution camera up to 380x magnification for XWYX/YXY side. Compatible with single mode, ITUT G.652 and G657, multi-mode, ITUT G.651, dispersion shifted, ITUT G.653, non-zero dispersion shift, ITUT G.655, fibers, EDFA Pocktail indoor fibers, bare fiber, FTTH fiber and other fibers. The universal replaceable single fiber bracket is compatible with 250 mm/0.9 mm/2.0